On the cover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the cover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the cover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.
What is going on? Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Alex O Crypto here. How we all doing? Holy smokes. We got people in the chat already. What's going on? Justin Eubanks. Eubanks, I bank, we all bank. Let's make bank. Let's go. TRD Farmer in the chat. He's wearing an otter costume. Guys, if you're climbing a mountain and you have to wear one of these, are you going to wear the roller skates, the otter costume, the stilts, or the clown shoes? You guys let me know down below. We got a special guest today, Lunar Beaches Crypto, not only in the chat, but he's on the live stream today. What is going on? Dave Digital, B-Team Crypto, G Corp, you know, we understand G Corp, you know, you'll catch this afterwards because right now you're going to catch something from the Chica now. Oh wait, I read that wrong. You're going to meet a Chica right now. Okay. What's going on? Jeanette, Alex G, Retro Mike in the chat, French Toaster, the brave little toaster. What is going on, my friends? And let's get into it. It's 4 o'clock. You guys have spoken, okay? You have spoken, and we are going live at 4 o'clock, and we got our friend, Lunar Beaches Crypto.
Hey.
Traders helping traders. That's what it's all about. What's going on, LBC? How's your day? How was your Christmas? Say hello to the Otter Gang. Thank you so much for being here.
What's going on, Otter Gang? I'm so glad to be on the show. But before I get started about Christmas and all that, man, I just want to say congratulations on getting monetized. It's pretty awesome watching you go from Frankie's Discord to where you are now. It's just awesome, man. And I just love it.
Thanks, bro. I appreciate it.
Very proud of you. Very happy for you. And you've built such an amazing community. This wonderful, amazing Otter Gang. And I'm just I'm very happy to be here, and I appreciate you having me back on the show. I think last time was when you surpassed 500 followers. This time, or subscribers. Now it's now you're monetized. So congrats on that, man. And
thank you. I think I fixed the echo. Did I fix the echo? Are we good? One if we're good with the audio. We had a little bit of an echo. I think we're okay now. Just say I paused one of the audios. Echo. Check.
Stop.
Stop. So it's better now. Okay, so I paused that. All right, we're okay. Sometimes the collab cam on Streamlabs is a bit confusing. We've been trying to get it all figured out, making sure that we can collab here. So thank you so much for your kind words. Even if he was saying kind words, but he was saying them times 2 because that's how much he meant them. Okay, he was on 2x. Yeah. It's on 2x. Okay, so we're all fixed now, ready to go.
3 inches bigger, or 3 sizes bigger.
That's so whatever. Good. So thank you so much for your kind words, and thank you for being here, guys. If you don't know, go and sub to Lunar Beaches Crypto. He's a dear friend. He's always in the Discord sharing. He even has his own trade setups, okay? So we, on the fly tech skills, Retro Mike with the $10 super chat, man. I'm still not used to this, man. It's like surreal getting super chats here. It just chokes me up. So thank you so much, Retro Mike.
So how does that work? Do they just like send you the money and it just comes?
You have to have a certain amount or something to withdraw it. I don't even know. We're just gonna pump it back into the community some way or another. But thank you so much. A+ on the fly tech skills. We figured it out. Sometimes you got to be.
Took us 30 minutes, but we figured it out.
So let's jump into the Bitcoin price. I'm gonna go over the Bitcoin price, and right now, we can see we've had a little bit of a rejection, and we're hopefully going to pop off from here. Now, we can see a little bit of a bottoming here on my screen, and we were looking for a bounce from here. And what is this? This is actually pretty simple, Tia. And I was talking to Jonathan Schaefer in the chat earlier, and I was like, come on, man. It can't be this easy that it's bouncing off this golden pocket. And we do have the golden pocket down here, which is acting as support. And I'm like, oh, we could lose this. However, like I always tell you guys, whenever there's a steep downtrend, draw your momentum wave to the downside. Look for the break of it. So we haven't fully broken out, but it looks to be right here that we could be actually looking to break out, flip this to support, and continue our way upwards. Now, for me, I was targeting a not much lower, but we can see that overall on this Bitcoin price action that we do definitely have a big level of support coming through and roaring its way all the way from back here, continuing through and pushing all the way up here. So I was looking for this $42,053 area. Now that actually works out well with the volume profile. If you pull that over here, you can see that we do have some nice support here at the value area low. What do you think about that, Lunar Beaches? Do you think we're going to lose this key $42,000 level, or do you think we're gonna pump to the moon?
To be quite honest with you,
pressure.
We're kind of in a point where it's kind of a decision point for me. I need to actually bring up the chart. I think as long as we hold, do you want me to go 40,000? No, don't worry about that. As long as we hold 40,181, I think
40,181.
Yeah, that's per Bitstamp chart. So as long as we hold that low right there, I think we're okay. We can sit here and we can still continue to range, how we already are. We could come down to the bottom of the range, test for support, and hopefully bounce off of there. So
we're going to label that the LBC level, as we typically do. Whenever you throw at a level, we're going to put a level on our chart. In case we lose this wedge, we could look to come down to lower prices, and that's almost just where we have that CME gap. So that could quite possibly work out. For me right now, I remain bullish until we lose this key level of support that has been holding so well. So we'll have to wait and find out. So with the trade setups for today, well, today was a hard day, wasn't it not? I'd say today was a hard day. Price action was a little bit all over the place. We had an AVAX setup. We lost that level of support. We had a Solana setup. We've held that support. Dave Digital was in an early live stream asking about if we'll hold this area, and I think Dave was right. I said we were coming probably down to $91, $92.50 ish area, and we've held strong. So it's interesting to see. However, one thing to note is that when something like this happens, I always like to cross-reference with the dollar index. Now you can see that the dollar index was getting completely smashed all the way down to 100, which is our target. But it did have quite a nice pump today, which to me means people are holding a little bit more dollars today. So it's interesting to see B Team Crypto gifted another membership, man. B Team is out here giving out these memberships. We got the new emojis. We got the chicken, the Crypto Pollo chicken. We got the otter coin that Dave Digital made. We got Dave Digital with me and him and a wrench. Man, we got the fire. I mean, this is all new to us. I just throwing up these emojis, trying to get you guys excited because I'm excited. I don't know about you. And I think we're going to get a Lunar Beaches crypto. We got a Crypto Billy one as well. We're going to get a Lunar Beaches crypto one here with some moons and some waves coming your guys' way. So you can throw up some LBC in the chat. So overall, looking at the trade, the one trade I'm looking for right now and that I'm currently in is this Ethereum trade. Now, I said I was going long here. I put my money where my mouth is. We had a big wick down, and it seems like it's doing all right. Do you think we can continue up here on the ETH price, Lunar Beaches crypto? What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, right now, yeah, we do have a little bit of a, hold on. I got to change where my chart is.
We flipped it to support. That's what I'm convinced on, is that we flipped this
Are you convinced
to
that?
Support. I'm pretty convinced, man. And ETH needs to move. It's like hungry. It's like it's upset with Solana. It's like Solana Bobana Fifi for Ghana. Get out of my kitchen.
So with ETH, I did see there's a bunch of news going around about Ethereum that like Donald Trump is dumping his Ethereum, and I'm just like, does that really does that matter in any way? I don't know. But outside of that, I mean, I just see a nice bull flag forming on the 1 hour.
Continuation.
Getting ready for continuation. Bullish bull flag, of course, hence the bull in bull flag. It means bullish.
Yes.
And yeah, it's coming back and it's testing after the breakout. It's coming back and it's testing that previous resistance for support. If it can hold, then let's see where we're at.
Boom. If measured move up to 25K, 2,500.
There you
25,000. Up to 2,500. Oh my God.
25,000.
I got the first super chat FOMO. Sorry, I missed the live stream on Boxing Day. Happy New Year, Otter family. That is from TRD Farmer, my fellow Canadian brother from Winterpeg itself, coming through with the super chat. My man. Thank you so much, Farmer.
Schaefer saying we still have an echo.
On you. Okay. We still have an echo on you.
Man.
Speak.
I just got to say one thing. Schaefer, you're awesome, man. I don't know what Alex would do without you. I wish I had my own Schaefer. That's all I'm saying. Someone to delegate some responsibility to.
I think I fixed it. But Jonathan Schaefer, the man in the chair, the man, the myth, the legend. And if you don't know, Jonathan Schaefer, this guy, he has his own version of Not Market Cipher B, which bangs on all Market Cipher Bs, okay? And that's in our resources tab in the free Discord. If you go, you can find it within this resources tab. And there is a donation button if you do want to support the guy, which I always think is kind. He wouldn't let me buy him a damn Christmas present. He wouldn't let me, LBC. He's like, okay, well, wait. I'm like, man, let me give you a Christmas present. And he wouldn't.
All right, I'm glitching.
They say you're glitching. So hopefully he comes back, and we'll wait on LBC to refresh, and hopefully, at least, let me tell you this one thing, LBC, you are smiling so nicely right now. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh, he's disappeared. Well, the stream will go on. He will be back. That is amazing. So I fixed the echo, and then he gets disconnected. Well, he's back. I can hear him. See, we're getting used to all this, creator stuff, getting monetized, getting a collab cam to work properly, and hopefully getting you guys the alpha that you guys deserve. Because It's definitely the fact that I'm a carpenter turned day trader, and you are a genuine pool boy. You must be awesome with the like wand thing to get the like stuff out of the. Yeah,
Bro, I got 20 years experience working the pole. You know what I mean?
He's like Wingardium Leviosa, okay? Oh, man. So we were looking at this. I'm in this East trade as we speak. We'll see if we get this pump that I am looking for. For me, it's exhaustion. It's coming up to a key level of support, and I think it's going to pump. I don't know about you, but this 1 hour, we got the VWAP crossover coming up. We got the bullish momentum wave going to turn over, okay? This is just me forecasting it. And we got the bullish pig nipples, man. We got the pig nipples down below, the VWAP crossover. Okay, big pump yesterday. I think it's not done with its move. Okay, now we're going to go back over to Bitcoin and just look at it generally speaking. And then we're going to go over to LBC because he's now refreshed and loaded. And he's going to go over, I think it's XRP. Oh, stable coin power. Now, going over with, I said it. I'm sorry. Going over the daily. Actually, let's go to the weekly first. I was looking at the weekly earlier today, and we can see that we definitely did have the red dot. Okay, the red dot's in the air. It's looming in the air. Phil Collins tonight. However, we do have an indecision candle. So for me, this is saying that, hello, we might be just pausing out right now in order to continue our pump upwards, okay? Because we had the bullish candle, the bearish trying to engulf. It failed. We pumped halfway up, and now we have an indecision candle. So for me, that's saying that we might want to continue here. Now, when I flip over to the daily, what I can definitely... Wall Street coin, says Schaefer. Oh, man. So
I don't even know what he means by that.
For me... It definitely looks like we have this continuation here, that we have that simple trend line here, a possible flat top. You could say this is angled, but this is possibly a flat top. And for me, we are curling up and we are getting ready for that beautiful, beautiful ETF. Okay, that is my thinking. However, I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Go on.
I said that on Piper's live stream in his chat yesterday. I was like, giant ascending triangle, anyone?
Giant
that's exactly
ascending
what
triangle.
It looks like. Yeah, it's called an ascending triangle.
I like that. So these are
look at all the emojis.
So we got Dave Digital here. If you're wondering what the emoji actually looks like, we got Crypto Pollo, the chicken. Can you do XLM, please? Yes, I will definitely do XLM. We will do 15 minutes at the end with all the altcoins that you're asking. We got Dave Digital here and Crypto Pollo, and obviously the Otter Schlong. Okay, so what are you thinking? Are you a man in green, yellow, or red? Lunar Beaches Crypto. Uh-oh. Do 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 do.
I don't like either any of those. Yellow.
And he chooses yellow. So going back over to the daily, yes, ascending triangle. Okay, he likes The Simpsons. That's why he picked yellow. Okay.
Exactly. 100%.
So going over to the
Simpsons
daily here, one thing for certain is that we have the VWAP posturing to the upside and the stochastic splitting. To me, this is preparing for a move to the upside. And then as I flip through here, we were looking at this beautiful trigger wave on the 12-hour. We didn't get that full move. We did move up, but we didn't get that full move. And then we're getting a red dot now, which could mean a sign of weakness and the VWAP crossing over. So yes, we did get a very V-shaped formation today in the price action over the last 2 days, where you can see that price has come up, simply touching key resistance. And where is that resistance? Well, you can just draw a beautiful trend line along here, and you can see that resistance was respected there. However, we have not made a lower low here. So for me, market structure hasn't fully changed yet. I still see continuation in this price action. This is why I remain bullish for now. So for me, I can see that we have this, and then I would like to see this continuation from here. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm looking for on BTC. But let's go over to Lunar Beaches Crypto's chart, and let him give you some TA on XRP. And before that, I'm going to show you my TA that I've done on XRP as well. Okay, this is my XRP chart.
I'm not ready for XRP, sir.
You're not ready for XRP?
No, because I had something else that I wanted to do before XRP.
Okay, you do your thing then before XRP. This is my XRP chart though.
All right, show it.
I'm showing it. Now we're gonna switch over to you.
That's pretty funny.
I was waiting this whole time to do this. Okay, we're gonna switch over to you.
What did you just scroll up a little bit or turn off the candles? What'd you do? All right,
we're
guys,
all on you now.
Yeah, I see. Let me see what. Whoa, that's not the right one. Hold on. All right. Can you see that?
We can see it.
This isn't good for me. All right. Here we go. All right, so I posted. See if anybody got it. I posted up in the Otter Gang chat. Looks very blurry on your end, but we'll see. Posted a little chart, and I said, "Can anybody guess what this bottom pane is representing?" And nobody got it. One person did get it very closely, and that would be David Brumble.
David Brumbelow, the man, the myth, the legend. He's in the chat.
He got the closest to the concept of what's going on. So I will just go ahead and I will send him the 20 ADA since he got the closest.
Amazing.
But yeah, he just need him to DM me an ADA address and I'll send him the 20 ADA. Let's go.
Let's go, man. Lunar Beach is giving away ADA, man. I love ADA. I'm an ADA bull, perma bull. Charles Hoskins, my man. Bull.
All right, so this is going to be enlightening and frightening at the same time.
Okay? Enlightening and frightening.
Yes, enlightening and frightening at the same time. So, the blue line,
yes,
is your M2 money supply.
Okay.
The orange line is your Fed funds rate. As you can see, we had a cut, a slash. Anytime we got a cut, we get a cut here, price comes down. We had an increase of our money supply, which helped provide liquidity to the market that shot us up to the upside along with 0% interest for an extended period of time. Notice how once we start to waver on our money supply and we start to come up on our interest, these things crossed.
They crossed over.
And then we started pumping. But the problem that I see is this money supply is curling over. And I don't know what exactly, are we going to get another injection? Because if you look to the left, all the way to the left, you can see that it mostly just rises. And then we got that big injection for the COVID stimulus, whatever. And then boom, off into the races we go. So the question is there enough money in the system to provide the liquidity that Bitcoin needs in order to keep it moving to the upside? Because not only do we have our money supply coming down, but we have the interest rates doing their job by keeping the demand low, which takes money out of the market also. So, it's all
how would you use this? Yeah.
Well, for me, it's just about perspective. It's not about okay, this is going to be like a great trade setup right here. Now, I did notice that anytime that this thing widens up, there's a separation in between the two.
Okay.
We tend to start seeing a little bit of volatility. You can see up here, and then once they start to get closer and closer, bam, we get a breakout, and then we have this expansion here. And then they cross again, and then bam, we have a breakout, because these are just monetary policy cycles, and that is how these things tend to always work. So I don't care what anybody says. I am not a strong believer personally. I know I'm contrarian, and people aren't going to like this. I am personally not a firm believer in the 4-year cycle theory. I think it's a hot garbage, because there's plenty of other indications that liquidity in the market is what drives Bitcoin, just as it drives every other asset. However, when we get into a crunch like this is when, and we have a debt crunch too, this is when it's time for Bitcoin to make its case to the world to be that world reserve currency that everybody stores their liquidity on, because that's what Bitcoin is. That ledger is the liquidity provider essentially for everybody. So, yep. What do you think about all of that?
I like that because, like, for me, what happens for me is that I definitely I'm a short-term intraday scalp trader, right? So, like, I'm in and out pretty quick. So, like, for me to get a better perspective, yes, I have hodl bags, yes, I have all that stuff, but this for me has definitely. I like when other TA people can come on and show me some perspective on things to look at. What's going on? We got Bullduck. Good morning. We got Crypto Billy in the chat. What's going on, Billy? Billy, we made you an emoji. We loaded that thing right away. I don't know, but there's a crypto Billy. You got a Crypto Billy emoji. Let's go. I switched to me. Oopsie. I'm going to XLM. If you could switch back to your regular screen, that would be great. But I like how that gives you liquidity. I think the 4-year cycle, you know what? I have no comment on that 4-year cycle because for me, I've only been in crypto for 2 years. So what do I have to say about a crypto cycle? Well, put your money where your mouth is kind of deal. Because like I can see it on the charts and how it works and how it's been respected. However, I'm a trader, right? So for me, I have hodl bags. We bought at the bottom. We're doing okay there. We want to see this thing moonshot, but I think with all these people coming into the Lunar Beach's crypto can't hear me. With all these people coming in, institutional buyers coming into the markets, it's going to make for some interesting changes, in my opinion, for the upcoming news cycle. So I'm going to go into XLM. And if you can't hear me, can I still hear you? I think I can. But with XLM, my friend asked for this. So let's take a look at it so that we can. Trader is greater than a traitor, says Dave Digital. Much love to you. So let's take a look. We can definitely see that XLM right now, USDT, it's kind of flat. It looks to me just like XRP. Now, if you've seen my XRP as well, it's over here. This is my XRP chart. So when we go to XLM, we can... I can't get it. I make myself laugh, which is probably terrible. We're trying to get Lunar Beach's crypto back here and firing on all cylinders. But you can see very simply that XLM has come up to key level of resistance here and it is trying to break out. It's making higher lows, which is good to see. However, it is looking to pump. Okay, it is looking to break out of here and pump. You look to the left and you can see Lunar Beaches is waving at me. I have to check Discord on him. 1 second. Let's see what is going on here. We'll switch over here and we'll see what he's saying on the Discord and hopefully we can figure this out. Having a little bit of technical difficulties right now, but I'm not sure what is going on with the beautiful stream here with Streamlabs and everything going on. We might have to just continue on our merry way with the regular show because it doesn't seem like Lunar Beach's crypto is connected fully here. So sometimes we can still see you, but we can't hear you. So I don't know what to do about it. We set it up. It was working, and now it's not. So if there's any if there's any alts you would like me to look through, please throw them in the chat. We're looking at XLM right now, and it is looking to break out. And the more times that XLM does touch on the top here, is the higher chance and probability it has to break out. So for me, we want to see a confirmed breakout and then a retest. So you have this ascending triangle here. You want to see the retest and then the continuation upwards, okay? So I would be patient. And this definitely looks like, okay, let's go back to XRP, where XRP is doing a very similar thing, okay? I did have an XRP chart. I thought the straight line was more funny, but you can see it is definitely working its way up. It's knocking on the door. However, it is pretty flat. So we have ADA and Injective. So we're definitely going to look at that. And thank you, Retro Mike, for constantly giving. Man, Retro Mike, you're amazing, brother. Thank you so much for your kindness. Let's go over and take a look at ADA. Uh-oh, he's got the XRP shirt on. Uh-oh, he's flashing the Otter Gang. I can make you disappear. I don't know what's going on with the audio. We're having an audio problem. So maybe you could sign and we can get you speak in some way or another. So we're going over to ADA. Now, ADA today, I was like, ADA doesn't care. ADA's pumping, man. And ADA pumped up today. And I can't. I need my friend Lunar Beach's Crypto in here. Oh, man. Anyways, we'll continue our way up. So ADA, we were looking for the breakout. We got a massive breakout on ADA. And then we got this V-shape action here where we had the pump off, but we can see that ADA tried to change market structure here and put in a higher high. It didn't continue to do so, but it does look like it's wanting to continue its way upwards. Now, ADA tends to crawl sideways quite frequently, and then it has massive moves. So ADA is definitely working its way up through this ascending triangle and looking to break out. It had a massive push. It failed to get above here, and our key target for ADA is the 68 cents. That's going to act as resistance. Now, I am a holder of ADA. I have quite a nice bag of ADA. However, it does look like it wants to retest this lower trend line. Okay, so you can see that it is bouncing its way along here, and it is making healthier market structure on the way up. So you can see that it is making higher lows and higher highs. So let's hope for ADA, and hopefully we can get another attempt to the upside. Now, can we get your sound working, Lunar Beach's Crypto? That is the question. That is the question. Are you speaking? Hello? Hello, my friend. Did the mic go out? So with ADA, look for it to continue upwards in the short-term time frames here. Let's pull over a volume profile and let's take a look around here. And we can see that, yes, we came above the value area high and we've been brought back down. So you have key volume here. You look to hold around 61 cents. The volume is not working, I don't think. Is it working? It's not working. No. My God. Crypto Billy, welcome to the Otter Gang Muscle, man. He's got the muscles, Crypto Billy. Much love to you, Billy. Welcome. We got Lunar Beach's Crypto here on the sidelines signing, and hopefully, I don't know why we can't hear him. I don't know why. I have his audios turned on. Labcam settings, audio on. Okay. That's all on. We've turned you on. Uh-oh, he's giving me the one finger. He's saying 1 minute. So with ADA, we're looking to bounce off of the 61 cent area while Lunar Beaches Crypto tries to figure out what's going on with the audio. So I'd be looking at that. Now let's go over to INJ as well. So for INJ, of course it's not working. Lunar doesn't wear his mirror. You're not wearing the mirrored glasses there, Lunar Beaches Crypto. Speak. Audio out. Audio input center. Collab cam. Audio's on for you, my friend. It is on. I have turned it on. This is weird. So Injective. With Injective, I gave you a finger. Mark Dutch, you need to submit. So we have a Crypto Pollo. We have a Billy emoji. Mark Dutch, I think we need some wooden shoes for Mark Dutch. Some wooden shoes, because he's Dutch, you know. Clogs. Are they clogs? Are they called clogs? So with Injective here, guys, Injective has been so bullish, okay? So for me, it's like a little bit of a reality check for this. Like, you just want to long it. However, the key level is going to be around this $34 area, okay? So it acted as previous resistance. You look for the continuation of this push down and then a reversal pattern. Now, how do we look for a reversal pattern? So when I go into Injective, it's getting there, okay? It's getting there. And you can see you're getting some sort of double bottom right now, looking to possibly push up. So I would get into any kind of oscillator. I like Market Cipher B, where you've made this low. You can see the low. and a higher high. So this, to me, looks like it's continuation. We got Lunar Beaches Crypto. He hangs out with a Canadian for half an hour, and all of a sudden he's wearing ski goggles. My God. Oh, man. Well, he's calling me on Discord. Should I answer? I can call you back. Hello? I'm calling him. Just call me, baby. So what we can see here is...
What happened?
I don't know what happened, man. Your audio's not working, brother.
Hello? Oh.
I think they can hear you now. They can hear you
Hello?
through the screen.
Can I hear me now?
They can kind of hear you.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Oh, wait, you can hear me now?
They can hear you. They can hear you.
Oh, cool. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to Lunar Beaches. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot where I was for a second. Welcome.
Fix your screen.
To the Otter Gang.
They can hear you now, I think.
All right, perfect.
So
I'm very happy for that.
Did you Google like some sign language or something?
No, I did not. I know this, and that's about it.
Okay.
And no, I can't do that.
Are you from outer space?
I am from outer space. I do like to ride waves on the moon with my fellow otters, my otternauts. And
Otternauts?
Yeah, man. Otternauts. Come on now. Cosmic otternauts. Let's go.
You got to do the voice for Billy. Do the voice for Billy.
Oh, Billy wants to hear them. Billy wants to hear the voice. Mm-hmm. All right. Well, I'm sure we can do this real quick. Hey, why don't you go over to my screen, okay? Let's go over to my screen. Let me go ahead and get this over here. Okay?
Do it.
Let's get this on.
What do you got for Billy?
Come to my screen. All right, let's go.
All right, Billy.
All right, Billy, here we go. Oh, well, first of all, let me go ahead and type in. I got the wrong Bitcoin.
We need a Billy Goat Tails coin.
Oh, Billy Goat Tails coin, man! I tell you what, I really like that Billy. That Billy's got a pretty mouth, I tell you. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, I like the way he talks. Yep. My stuff doesn't seem to be loading right now. We got audio figured out, but can't get the charts right. It's a damn shame.
Your chart ain't even loading, bro.
Yeah, I'm about to kill it with the sling blade.
I'm going over to my chart. We're going to keep doing injective until your chart behaves itself. So we can see with injective, we have $34 here is going to be your bounce level at a golden pocket. It also has previous resistance. So we want to see a bounce on injective because it's bullish AF. We did as a community take this trade from over here around 37 all the way up. However, it's been punished all the way back down. And I wouldn't be surprised if it retests this range just to grab a bit of liquidity and continue up. What do you hold injective Lunar Beaches?
I do not.
You do not.
I only trade it.
It does move quite quick though. It's not it's kind of scary to me to trade.
Of crypto, bro. To me, cash is king until otherwise. So it is what it is. I don't like it.
Fun fact that this phone call, you're in the Philippines, and this will cost me about $12 per minute, says Mark Dutch.
Canadian, so that's basically like 3 cents.
I know. I apologize. Whenever I super chat somebody, I always apologize for my currency.
Yeah, I got. Oh, thank you for the euros.
My memberships, my memberships are $5 Canadian, so you got no excuse not to be a member in this place. Okay. I mean, if you can't afford a coffee,
should you be trading?
No, you probably shouldn't be trading. Oh man,
should you really? You can't afford a $5 super chat.
Oh man. So
come on now, give my boys some money.
So we have a beautiful a pole here, climbing a mountain, and you have to
hear me?
I can hear you.
Oh, okay. I was just making sure.
I can hear you. So you have a pole here. You're climbing a mountain, and you have to wear one of these. You got roller skates, an otter costume, stilts, or clown shoes. Now, if you pick one, the one I'm thinking, then you're all right to me.
Me?
Yes.
Oh, it's definitely the otter costume.
You're gonna wear the otter costume. Is that to stay warm at the top, or is that because when you fall, you can bounce a bit better?
Yes.
Which one? Both.
Both.
Oh my God.
Warm and bouncy. Hey, warm and bouncy.
I think I would wear the roller skates so I could get down faster after I smashed that peak. Okay, we got 25 viewers here and only 17 likes. Let's get that. We got 7 new members in the stream. Man, God bless you guys. Thank you guys for giving so much, man. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Now, I got to ask you a question because something happened yesterday during our live stream. We were going over this coin that shall not be named. Do you hold that coin? I want to know if you hold that coin.
Are you asking me if I hold any cock?
Do you hold this coin? I just want to know. Because my man Crypto Pollo, cock, okay? he's been watching this coin, you know? And we're pretty bullish on this coin. Have you heard of it? It's called Cock in
the Coke.
Coke. Is it Coke?
I don't know.
That doesn't sound
keep
appropriate.
Keep it family friendly.
People are going to spend all their trading money on Coke. Now, do you pinch Coke or do you hold Coke?
Definitely hold it.
It's pronounced sock.
Oh, sock.
Retro Mike's a cock holder for life.
I thought it was soak.
You know, like Thug Life, he has cock life, like Tupac.
Whole lot of drama in the LBC.
I don't even know I don't know what's going on right now.
You don't know? Well, this is the Alex O Crypto Show where we have fun. We do charts. We make bank. We have a free Discord. Everything is free.
I mean, like, I don't know what's going on with my internet. Like, nothing's happening.
It's just it's like not working.
I'm only allowed to do this stream. I'm not allowed to do charts or anything else at the same time.
No multitasking is allowed. Mark Dutch says, okay. I'd climb that mountain naked, but only because I want to throw that Streamlabs bot off the top of it. It doesn't let him, dude. It doesn't let him swear. See, please, Mark Dutch, please refrain from using foul language. I almost want to ban it from letting Mark talk. Could we just, like, whenever Mark Dutch talks, Streamlabs punishes him?
Just times.
How many times can Mark piss off Streamlabs? Go.
Hey, F. You know, just over and over.
Oh my God. Philip Fillmore says Discord. What's your Discord link? The link should be in the description of the video, but we have the free Discord here. I can go over. We have Lunar Beaches TA here. We have Brewberry. We have mine. We have Otter Talk, where we all just try to get along and have lots of fun and trade, where we also have setups, and everything is free here, trying to help people be profitable. And sharing, traders helping traders is what it's all about, really. It's nothing. I'm not here to charge anyone. We're just here to try and collab together, and really spread that givers gain motto. Like Billy has really instilled it in us this givers gain mentality. That's why we get LBC on the stream. That's why we try to give as much as we can
anyway,
all the time. So we're very grateful for you guys.
Maybe we go Zoom next time.
Maybe we go Zoom. Who knows? But yeah.
I don't know.
Okay, thank you. Sucks. Sent a link yesterday, but it expired. Okay, so I'll get a new link.
Do unlimited. Got to make your Discord invites unlimited.
Unlimited.
No expire.
Hashtag Carpenter. Hashtag Carpenter. I'll work on that.
A few weeks ago.
Or I'll ask Schaefer to figure it out. But we're gonna look at IMX for my good friend French Toaster. French Toaster in the chat. What's going on, my man? Hope you're doing well. What
up, everybody in the chat? What up, Otter Gang? Love to see each and every single one of you. Thank you for joining. Another
Immutable X show. Baby. Let's go.
From me.
Let's go.
I'm gonna go live right after you, Alex, so people.
You're gonna go live right after me. Go ahead, man. You crush it.
Maybe.
You should.
I don't know.
You should, man. You should.
Well, we'll see. I'll see what the wife says, and then we'll see.
Always got to check with the wife. Mrs. Otter's always like, "Okay, are you going live? Are we gonna cook dinner?" And I'm like, "Yes." She doesn't talk like that. She's actually very kind and sweet and polite. I'm just
That's not a kind and sweet polite.
IMX coming down to clear support, however, looking to roll over. And if we do, could be some ugly downside for IMX. Let's pull the fib, yeah. So we do have that golden pocket there that's holding us up, but IMX moves quick, man. So if it does fall, it could fall quite hard back down to this point of control, which is all the way down at $2. Yikes. But right now it seems to be holding. You have an XRP phone button?
Tino is next. David, who watches Tino?
It's the bloody market maker. You got to watch Tino. You don't watch Tino.
You've got to watch Tino and the Vector candles.
The Vector candles, mate. Mrs. Otter.
What?
Mrs. Otter.
Wait, Mrs. Otter.
She's British AF, so hopefully she didn't hear that. Darren Dussing says pull 2 ranges. Home on the range. So I do agree with Darren as well. And we were below the value area low. However, there is a bit of support where we are right now. So if we do pop up, it could be a nice move from here to the upside. But definitely Not looking too strong after such an aggressive push down. Like I said, with a lot of these, we got that push up and then that V shape. What is it? If it's not recovery, then it's discovery channel.
Wait, what?
V-shaped rejection. Okay, so you can see that there. So we're definitely looking for a bounce here. However, with the momentum being to the downside, we'll have to see if this holds. It isn't looking too good right now, but you can see you are having a continuation on market safer, which could possibly bring you up. But right now, it looks like a lot of things in the crypto industry, as you can see, are taking a hit. So we're watching that for sure.
Yeah, I'm just I'm watching the live stream in the chat from my phone, so I can see what the hell is actually going on.
Oh, you're doing it. Do you want me to video call you? Well, or is that going to break your internet?
Literally nothing is working except for this Streamlabs.
Oh man,
I don't know what's going on. Yeah, I guess I need a new computer. I don't know.
That's okay. Next Christmas we'll get you a new computer.
I need a new Wi-Fi adapter. I was supposed to get one for Christmas, but my wife didn't get me one. Gotta go and buy one.
Yeah, so I think if you come down, you're definitely looking to come above between 220 and 215. Somewhere within this area, you'd be looking for a bounce. You do hold this trend line, though. You could be looking... Right now, it's hard to say. It's hard to say, in my opinion. IMX, though. A lot of people like IMX.
Got me this sweet Memphis Grizzlies 2024 special.
Oh, I'm sorry you're a Grizzlies fan.
I'm very happy to be a Grizzlies fan. I'm from Memphis.
Oh,
but
man.
Here's the issue, Alex. Here's the issue.
I mean, Toronto Raptors, you know, we won, so I can kind of brag. I can brag, right? You look like Jason Casper did on his live stream the other day.
It doesn't fit.
Do you like uneven butt cheek patterns?
Yes, I do.
Streamlabs is almost as brutal as Lethal Company with the brutal mod.
Like I'm ready for
So are you able to share your screen and talk about that trade setup? Or are we going...
I don't know what to do, man, because...
Or are we just gonna... Are you canceled now?
I think I got canceled.
You've been canceled.
Yeah, like nothing on Google will load at all. Like done. Like I'm done, guys. It was nice. It was fun.
Well,
I'll still stick around if Alex wants to keep me around, but
we'll keep you around. Yeah. We'll keep you around. We only got about 10 minutes left in the live stream, so if there's anything, if there's anything you guys would like me to go over, I'd be more than happy to do so. For me right now, we're looking for a bounce. However, BTC, it is looking like it is rolling over right now. So we had some levels for you guys. Here are the levels as we know them. We're looking for the bounce off of around 42,050. Okay, that's going to be my bounce area where I'm looking for a continuation to the upside. If we do lose that level, we do have some levels below us here around 40,000. However, we'll have to wait and see. We do have the ETF right around the corner where we're looking for a continuation to the upside.
Why you say I got ADHD, Crypto Billy? Because I'm all over the place because I don't have my charts in front of me, bro. I'm just like back and forth trying to figure out what to do on this stream. You know, I can't do anything.
Internet problems, Streamlabs problems. So we'll try again. We were all set up, ready to go. It was working, and then now it's just gone to complete.
I really need
complete crap.
I need a new wireless adapter. That's what it is. Because I have a wireless adapter for my desktop for it to work for my Wi-Fi, and I think it only does like 1,600 megabits per second or something, or not even that, like 800. I don't know, something crazy small. So I just need a new one of those.
Well, we'll get it figured out. ADHD coin on Bybit.
Oh.
I'm kidding, man.
I mean, I do need it.
So
but,
let's
you know,
wrap it up
that's what
with
it is.
this, okay? Today was a little bit of a mismatch, okay? We will have another stream for you. We have changed the time, so we're going to go live at 4 p.m. from now on. Make sure to go check out Tino and Frankie Candles. They're coming up next. We're trying to create space so that you guys can get constant TA from us. So we'll be here tomorrow at 4. But thank you guys so much for your support. We're going to get the OCD coin and the ADH USD coin for the next stream. Go follow Lunar Beaches Crypto, where hopefully his internet is kicking ass, taking names with the cool shades on.
Head look big.
We're drinking jasmine tea tonight. No Earl Grey.
I got that ghost volcano water.
You got magic volcano water. But
Yep.
I appreciate you guys so much. Lunar Beaches Crypto, thank you for coming on. Thank you for reaching out, man. We're going to go watch Traders Reality and yell at Tino. God bless every single one of you guys. Guys, smash that like button on the way out. Thank you guys for your support. Much love, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, that of low casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame, with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better